they force you back under those covers. Lazy mornings, they multiply. Glory's waiting outside your window. So wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Tongues are violent, personal and focused. Tough to be with your steady mind. Hearts are stronger after broken. So wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. All these victims stand in line for the crumbs that fall from the table, just enough to get by. All the while your invitation, wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes. Wake on up from your slumber, baby, open up your eyes.
Alright, what's up guys? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I had fun filming it. I really liked going out to see this place and doing this new hike. It was new, it was fresh to me, so I had a ton of fun. Again, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll catch you next time.
Just enough to get by. All the while your invitation, wake on up from your slumber.